Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have a 2012 Toyota Camry. On this 2012 Toyota Camry, we're going to go over the steps of how you replace the battery if your battery has gone bad and you need to change it. So to start with, you're going to pop the hood, you're going to raise it up, and then you're going to find the battery located on the front left of the car, which is the driver's side, right behind the headlight assembly. This is where the battery is. So then we've got to undo the terminal connections, the battery terminals, or cables, battery cables from the terminals. And we'll just use, it's a 10 millimeter on this car. Just loosen that, and then you can pull that off. And same on the right side, or on the positive one. Just loosen with our 10 millimeter. Put it out of the way. And then this one has a J-hook clamp back here, and we've got a here. So generally we could probably just undo this one, and then we can move that J-hook so we don't really even have to loosen that back one. Loosen that, and then this is the J-hook that you see, and this goes down, and then you twist it to hold it in there. So then we've removed the bracket that holds the battery down, and then you would just go ahead, pull the battery out, then you would take your new one and put it back in. It doesn't hurt if this tray comes out, or if not, it doesn't hurt to clean out some of this debris. So we have our replacement battery. You're just gonna we've got our replacement battery, set it back in place. So take our bracket to put it back on once it's in place, and make sure that this J-hook is going to go toward the front of the car, right? It's going to twist. Once you get it down there, you're going to twist it and bring it to the front of the car. And if we go at an angle like this, it'll pop down and be able to clamp down. Been clipped on the back there. There would be a little hole back there is where it generally will go in, or right there would be a little groove that it will on the bottom of the battery tray. And then just hold it down and then just tighten this up, and that's your battery. It's been installed. It still needs a little bit more tightening. And you can go ahead and put your 10 on this and tighten this down some more. The goal is you don't want our battery sliding anywhere around in here. Yep. Good and tight. And then you would go ahead and reconnect your terminals, or your cables to the terminals, and tighten those with your 10 millimeter. With those all tight and everything tight, that's how, and then you can go ahead and start your car and start running it and go about your business. But that's how you replace your battery on your Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.